Welcome to English 3 months. Today, we are going to learn about 11 ways to improve spoken English without a speaking partner. Let's get started. 11 ways to improve spoken English without a speaking partner. People who know how to talk in English can relate to people from other countries across the world. English is spoken by a wide variety of people across the globe. Speaking in English can help a person to broaden their world, starting from getting admission to good colleges and universities abroad to job opportunities. The United Kingdom, Australia, the USA, Canada, Ireland, New Zealand, and the Caribbean countries all have English as their official language. English is known to be the most widely used language for international business meetings. Learning English can help people to improve their quality of life. They can think about pursuing an international career and making a name for themselves in countries other than India. Many online spoken English classes offer classes to beginners, intermediate, and advanced learners. The lessons are designed by qualified English tutors based on the understanding, capacity, and learning ability of the students. Looking for online spoken English tips and tricks that you can follow yourself without any partner. Read more about English speaking practice. Reasons to learn how to converse in English. English is a global language. Knowing how to talk in English can help people get a job in the global market. People knowing how to talk in English can easily mingle with people from other countries. English is an important language in the media industry. It is the language of the internet, which is a powerhouse of information. Traveling abroad becomes easier for people who speak English well. It is an important language for business. Getting admission to abroad colleges gets easier with knowledge of English. English offers access to multiple cultures. Number 1. Watch movies and shows in English. It might seem to be joking, but I believe watching television is not only entertaining, it can also be very educational. From now on, whenever you watch television, try to listen to the words that the actors and actresses are saying, and also try to listen to the accent they are using. You can also watch any of your favorite sports, but the commentary should be in English. These will help you to follow the pronunciation and accent of a particular word. To read the dialogue, even if you are unable to comprehend what the performers are saying. You can also choose to leave the subtitles on. You can Google a word or ask someone if you're stuck or don't know what it means. This will make sense to you when hearing what is being said. This exercise will also assist you in comprehending the structure of English sentences. Pay attention to the sentence structure. It will support you in writing and speaking English. Number 2. Read English. Reading can also help you become more fluent in spoken English. Everything that is in front of you should be read, including storybooks, magazines, and newspapers. Read anything you want to read, but make time to read every day. Reading can greatly improve your language fluency. You should read tale books, in my opinion, since they will keep you interested in the characters. Many new words may appear while you read, some of which you may not be familiar with. Carry a notebook with you and make a note of any new words you come across, so that when you've finished reading, you can verify their meaning. Number 3, speak in front of the mirror. This is a very effective way to learn spoken English without a partner. In this method, you have to close the door of your room and start speaking in front of the mirror. Speak whatever you want, but speak. There are many cases in which people get scared from speaking and they don't speak. At first, you will speak the wrong English, and it is normal for new spoken English learners. If you speak in a closed room in front of a mirror, then you can come across your mistakes easily, and the plus point is there is nobody to judge you or to laugh at you. In this way, you cannot improve your basic spoken English skills. Number 4, speak and record. You must have a phone with you, right? Whenever you are speaking, record your voice on your mobile phone, and after you finish speaking, listen to that recording twice or thrice. Believe me, you will come across a lot of mistakes, and after some time of regular speaking, you will automatically rectify those mistakes. This is also a very impactful way to improve your spoken English skills. You can also learn some new words and follow the same procedure. And if you can't understand the meaning of a particular word, then after speaking, you can go through the meaning of those new words. This will also improve your stock of words and vocabulary in the process of improving spoken English fluency. Number 5, read loudly. As we discussed earlier, reading English is very essential, and you have to follow that while you read English. Try to read it loudly so that you can hear your voice. Reading loudly will also help you to enhance your pronunciation, and this will clear your speaking ability. Read anything daily for at least 10 minutes. You can also exercise the below-mentioned tips to make your grip more efficient in spoken English. In a real conversation, you can find it difficult to use some terms appropriately, or perhaps hesitant to use them at all if you haven't used them much. Reading aloud from a newspaper, magazine, or other text will compel you to use a wide variety of words. Regularly keep in mind that these sources have a far larger vocabulary than you do, so you'll be exposed to the sounds of many new words. This will help you become accustomed to their sounds and increase the likelihood that you'll use them in a genuine conversation. Because these words will continue to come up in the future, reading aloud will help you retain the pronunciation you're learning from online dictionaries discussed in the preceding paragraph. finally. You can utilize this exercise to practice your pace, emphasis, pauses, and intonation, all of which were discussed previously in the essay. Number 6. Speak whatever you see. It is also a very effective way to enrich your spoken English power. Suppose you are traveling and you see some hoardings and boards of advertisement. Read them out and see what is written on them. In this way, also, you can enrich your spoken English skills. If you don't know the meaning of a particular word, keep that word in your mind, and when you, the free time, go through the dictionary and find out the meaning of that particular word. This will increase your power to memories. The word. Number 7. Listen to podcasts and story online. Whenever you are traveling, you can listen to podcasts or stories in English. When you are listening to any kind of podcasts, always try to focus on their accent and pronunciation. This will help you to improve your pronunciation and accent of English speaking. This process provides you with speedy spoken English fluency. Number 8. Learn phrases. Start learning a variety of phrases. Don't only learn any particular word. Always try to learn a whole phrase. If you learn only a particular word, then it will be difficult for you to fit that word into a particular sentence and make meaning of it. If you learn through whole phrases, then you can understand where you can use which words. Learning phrases also makes you confident in speaking English fluently, and it will make you speak English more effectively. Number 9. Be excited and have fun. Don't take this learning journey as a task. Keep the journey as fun. If you take this as a task, then after some time you will feel bored and you will leave the journey without achieving the spoken English journey. Always remember, why have you started? Give time, play with English, and you will be able to achieve your goal soon. Number 10. Keep a dictionary. It is always advisable that you should keep a pocket dictionary with you. Go through the dictionary at least 4 or 5 minutes daily. Go through some new words daily. Memorize those words and start using those words while you speak. Always try to put new words in the middle of the sentences while speaking. Use those new words, but make them meaningful so that the person listening to you can understand you very easily and effectively. Number 11. Prepare some cheat papers. The fear of not knowing what to say before speaking is a factor in anxiousness. Make a cheat sheet to help you fight this. Suppose you are visiting a physician. Before your visit, familiarize yourself with some common terms you'll undoubtedly need, as well as terminology related to your disease. Apply the method for any event that could cause you anxiety, such as going to pay a bill, dining at a restaurant, going on a job interview, filing a complaint, or anything else. The admissions process for online English speaking programs is typical. Most places need completion of the 10th grade from an accredited board as a minimum requirement for admission. At the +2 level, several language courses demand a minimum of 50% of the possible points. Other institutes may have different requirements. Students must have all of their academic records on hand for the admissions process before admitting students for spoken English lessons. A select few institutions conduct admission exams and in-person interviews. After you complete the above-mentioned tips, if you want to enhance your spoken English fluency more, it is always advisable to take the help of an expert. In this process, you can join many online spoken English classes. If you need advice from me, I would like to suggest Fast Info Class, as they have vastly experienced tutors. They have catered for a lot of students till now, and I benefited from their course. Believe me, I learned spoken English from the Fast Info Class. Many online spoken English courses offer different methods of learning. Some of the methods are mentioned below. Listening to podcasts and stories. For correct pronunciation, vowels and phonetic symbols, consonants with illustrations in use, public speech, telephonic conversation, formation of vocabulary and words from different texts and dictionary, basic grammar, descriptive and prescriptive approaches, spoken and written grammar, listening and comprehension, understanding of texts through interactive sessions, dialogues, practice exercises on various grammatical constructions, identifying grammatical devices from various texts such as poems, stories, newspapers, etc., making statements, orders, suggestions, questions, etc. Now we will move to the subject and concepts of English speaking. Subject and concepts of online English speaking classes. Certification in online English speaking classes generally varies from 3 months to 1 year. These courses are created for students who want to speak in English and make their career in the best field. Some of the main syllabi that are covered by spoken English classes are phonetics, spoken skills, oral expression of the language, vocabulary and word recognition, pronunciation of words, writing skills, grammar, conclusion. The best way to improve your spoken English is to keep practicing it. The more you speak, the more you will understand the words and, ultimately, the language itself. You can achieve fluency in English. Pick any book or newspaper of your choice and start reading. Find a native speaker. If feasible, it will help to learn English with more efficiency. If you think that it will be difficult for you to learn spoken English alone, you should connect with Fast Info Class. We have a pool of good and experienced teachers. Many of the Fast Info Classes students are working with top MNCs. Many of the students of Fast Info Class are working with top MNCs. Thanks for watching this video.